Hey Chris, what? I want to introduce you to everybody. This is Chris, also known as Orlando. Say hi, Chris. Hi.
Look, it's got your middle name on that van, Sparkle.
Sparkle. Oh my gosh.
Sparkle.
Sparkle it up, sparkle. That's how you used to say it when you, back in the old day, you're like, sparkle it up, man.
Let's just say that, man.
You did. Oh my
Sparkle it up, bro.
Sparkle it up.
Throw some glitter on it, man.
Guy.
Hey, what's the deal with these glitter bombs? Did you see that?
Glitter bombs?
Some I guess they're stealing packages in there. They're putting glitter bombs in them. You know, like dye packs?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
glitter bombs.
Yeah.
Cool.
I saw a little.
So you see these criminals with glitter all over them, or what?
That'd be hilarious, man.
Yeah.
Teach them a thing or two.
This is the best, well, not the best, but this is a really good place to eat right here, if you're ever in Odessa. Right, Chris?
Well, first of all, why would you come to Odessa?
I don't know.
I'm camera shy right now. This
Yeah,
thing
look at
looking
you.
at me, I'm all smiling. I don't smile.
I know you don't. That's
I don't
funny.
smile one bit. When the camera's in my face, I start smiling. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
I don't know. Drive around because some other yard guy went to the alley and I couldn't get, I just got out of his way so I wouldn't have to back up. I left Chris out there working. Man, that's one good employee right there for sure. You know, I really appreciate his help. This backyard's a pain in the butt, but we're almost done. I wish I could show you more footage, but I need to get some kind of little tripod or something for this GoPro, you know, so it'll be a little easier to work with. And also I want to get something that'll cover the the screen because I don't want it to get all scratched up. So I'll take you back there when we're done. I got a short clip of some of the leaves, but we're still blowing out those flower beds. Once we get done here, we're gonna go make a flower bed. I got to go to Midland to go pick up the rocks, and it's been a lot of fun. I enjoy having Chris here. All right, this was a rough one. We're just about done. Man, you left it looking good. I'm gonna take a few pictures. Man, all those acorns are gone now. All right, I'm here doing this flower bed today. Well, I got started on it and I haven't finished it for a few days. So I gotta go to the rock place. I got some of the materials, but I'm gonna document me doing this for you. Yeah. All right, guys. We're at Scully Stone,
aka scoliosis.
Scoliosis Stone.
Skull and bones.
Let's see what we got right here.
Pawn stars. Got rocks.
I got rocks. All right. Hey, how's it going? I like your shirt. Thank you, sir. Hey, got rocks. All right, I'm David. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hi there, trust me. Hey, thank you. I had that in the morning at 4 months.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. What do you think, Chris, about today's work?
Fantastic, John.
All right, here we go. Time to go. All right, I'm here at my, well, I'm about to drive up to my next yard, or actually the yard from yesterday this is the yard from yesterday that me and Chris put down rocks at, and I'm just coming over here to finish it off. I'm gonna clean up, trim all the shrubs, you know, remove any dead plants or whatever I need to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and time warp it for y'all. I'm gonna try 30x on time warp. It's like time lapse, but it's supposed to be smoother, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and put a 10x video of me mowing leaves, and then we'll do this 30x, and we'll just kind of experiment with this GoPro and see what it's all about. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set up, and the footage should start right after this. Today I'm doing a solo, so it's just me by myself. I'm gonna clean up the leaves and the rock beds, touch up the rock beds, and do some trimming and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. All right. Okay, guys, I'm done. Well, for now. Anyways, there's some guy coming to treat the weeds. Hopefully he's successful. If not, we'll figure something else out. Here's a flower bed I made. Usually I deal with just regular mulch. This is the first real one that I started from scratch. There was nothing here, and I dug it out and went and got all the rocks, put everything, the edging, everything else, the mulch. Only thing is I gotta put some dirt down here. Kind of messed up right there, but that's okay. And a little bit right there, but grass will grow and you won't be able to tell. I'm gonna be removing this thing, not today though, but it's in bad shape. And then I kind of raised that off the ground, the purple sage. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if y'all have any questions on anything, feel free to ask me in the comments and I'll try to help you in any way I can. We're always learning, but if I know the answer, I'll try to give it to you. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you.